there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without having to sell your kidney. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printers, comparing two heavyweights, the ELEGOO Saturn and the Creality Ender 3v3 SE. We've got a battle between the Saturn and the Ender 3v3 SE, and trust me, this is going to be more intense than your aunt's Facebook rants. So, let's get started! Alright, let's talk print quality. The ELEGOO Saturn comes with a 10-inch 12K mono LCD, which is basically like having a mini IMAX theater for your prints. The resolution is so high, you might as well be printing reality itself. Reviewers rave about its ability to produce highly detailed and flawless prints, especially with ELEGOO's own gray resin. Meanwhile, the Ender 3v3 SE boasts a high-speed printing capability at 250 millimeters per second, but let's be honest, speed isn't everything. It's like having a sports car with a blindfolded driver. Reviewers have noted that while the Ender 3 is reliable, it doesn't quite match the Saturn in terms of print detail and precision. The Saturn takes this round with its stunning detail and precision. Sorry, Ender, but you're not winning any beauty contests today. Next up, build volume. The Saturn gives you a generous 218.88 x 122.88 x 250 cubic millimeters. That's enough space to print a small army of action figures or, your entire D&D campaign. On the other hand, the Ender 3v3 SE doesn't specify its build volume in its promo, but we know it's decent. However, in the world of 3D printing, size does matter. Reviewers appreciate the Saturn's larger build area, allowing for more ambitious projects. And Saturn's got the bigger playground, so another point for ELEGOO. Now, let's talk about ease of use. The Ender 3v3 SE is like that friend who's always there to help you move. Super reliable with its CR Touch auto leveling and strain sensor for auto Z.offset. It's practically begging you to sit back, relax, and let it do all the work. Plus, it's got quick assembly, taking you from box to print in just 20 minutes. Reviewers find it especially user-friendly, making it a great starter printer. The Saturn, while amazing, is a bit more like a high-maintenance partner. Worth it, but you have to put in the effort. Ender 3v3 SE takes this round hands down. Special features, anyone? The Saturn flaunts its Fresnel collimating light source for uniform light distribution and laser-carved build plate for excellent adhesion. It's like having a personal 3D printing butler ensuring everything is perfect. Reviewers are especially impressed with these innovative features. The Ender 3v3 SE, though, comes with a powerful Sprite Direct extruder and auto-filament loading and unloading. It's like the Swiss Army knife of 3D printers, practical and versatile. While the Ender 3 has its own set of useful features, the Saturn's innovations give it the edge in this category. Finally, let's chat about support and service. Creality offers a 12-month after-sales service, which is great because, let's face it, tech can be a diva sometimes. Reviewers appreciate the peace of mind that comes with this support. ELEGOO doesn't specify, but they've got a solid reputation for customer service, especially with prompt responses to issues like broken screens. However, knowing you've got that service safety net with Creality is like having a best friend who's also a tech wizard. Ender 3v3 SE wins this one. Reviewers generally agree that the ELEGOO Saturn excels in producing high-quality, detailed prints and has a larger build volume, making it ideal for more ambitious projects. On the other hand, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE is praised for its reliability, ease of use, and excellent customer support, making it a great choice for beginners and those looking for a dependable machine. So who's the winner? It's a tough call. If you're all about that high-res detail and larger build volume, the ELEGOO Saturn is your go-to. But if you want something reliable, easy to use, and with great support, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE is your best bet. Either way, you're getting a fantastic 3D printer. It's like choosing between cake and ice cream. You really can't go wrong. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a battle. Drop a comment below on which 3D printer you think takes the crown, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy printing, smart shoppers! Product links are in the description.